Hello, everybody, and welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm Crypto B, and you are on my crypto show. 1,000 to 100,000. Is that possible? Well, if it's possible, only in crypto. Of course, nothing that I say should be considered financial advice. I'm just an entertainer guy here on YouTube.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's up, guys? Today I also have I tried to put a song here to put as a backtrack. Let me see if I am live on Twitter. I'm supposed to be live on Twitter and on Twitch and on and on. Yes, I am live here on Twitter, on X, and I should be live on. I'm multi-streaming today. How amazing is that? Guys, so great to be here one more time. Yeah, let me just take out the sound from there. Welcome. Guys, if there is a place that we can transform or get life-changing money opportunities is 100% in crypto, right? It is. People done it before. People will do it again now. Because this will be potentially the best ever crypto cycle. It's either you're ready or you will miss the boat. We have another 500 days into April for the halving of Bitcoins. And then after that, explode. Antonio Miranda reminds me of Zinedine Zidane.
Living live on the blockchain. Look around and everybody's here.
Look like at least is a famous footballer. But I'm like B. I'm just like myself. Let's see today how is the market today. Let's go through some news as well. Solana is being the coin of the week. Together with Hex and other coins, they've been exploding. We are like in some projects there is a bull market already happening. Let me share here my screen. We are here at Token Metrics. You guys know that I super love Token Metrics. Is actually the analytic tool that I use to get my hidden gems, as Token Metrics use AI technology together with human data inside the projects in order to get all the data we need here. And literally, we can go to the chat bot over here, guys. And we can ask here. I'm going to ask here the chat. I'm going to say, give me the next potentially 100x cryptocurrency with a low cap. So high risk, right? So the AI will give me that. So let me go like this. Give me. Okay, let's go here to see what the AI will say. And then we go here. Of course, you have to get the information. Then you go to investigate. You go into the price, to the website, to the Twitter. You go to check the coins, right? So according to Token Metric, wow, it's giving me a lot. It's okay. No, don't you give more? I was just asking for one. He gave me 10. Okay. So according to Token Metric Analytics, the following cryptocurrencies have the potential to give 100x return and have a low market capitalization. The reason why I ask for a low cap, because low cap coins, they can give more X's potentially. Okay, so there is, as you can see here, that's how easy it is. And then of course, it's not everything that you're gonna close your eyes and invest or anything like this, but it gives you an idea, and you can take those coins and of course and going into the actually data here, go to the live price, you go to the insight, to the rating and everything. As you can see, these coins, for example, Vite, token metrics investors grade. So this is the grade of investing. So it's a 71%. If we go there, we'll be able to check. The market cap at the moment is at $15 million. So look how low is those cap, right? So I like this tool because it helped me with so many things. Okay, I am an affiliate for this tool. You guys can get, if you like this tool and you think it's valuable for you, you can use the way I use, and there is a link here on the description of the channel. Of course, if you use the link here, you help me to grow my channel and to grow my community over here. All right, in talking about growing your channel, growing my community over here,
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the
smash the
money.
like. I need to find another song that gives me smash the like. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family over here. The last volumes, as you can see here, last 24 hours, it's 1.43% down. Bitcoin's at $34,000, 510. Ethereum on 1,816. In the week, it's been good, as we can see here. It's 2.66% in the last 7 days. BNB on the 4th, $229 and 1.49 down on the last 24 hours. XRP at 18. XRP is on the green. As you can see, there was a spike here, 12% on this last small run. And then we have Solana. For me, Solana was the coin of the week. It exploded 23%. Whoever got in Solana, when I was telling you about Solana, if you got in Solana, guys, you made some good money. Because when I told you Solana was at 18, 20, so you probably did good. Cardano, 12% as well on the last 7 days. Dogecoin is down. Toncoin, I think, should do with social media or something. Tron, I heard about Tron as well. I like Chainlink. You guys know, you follow me on the channel. I like Polygon, Matic as well. I like Polkadot, although I have my stake in Polkadot on the wallet from 2 years ago, and for some reason I cannot take them out, and I'm ultra pissed off. Not this one.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, I get emotional damage when I cannot take my staking from there. So yeah, coins are doing good, guys. But we are, let me share my other screen here. We are having some pullback, and pullbacks. Pullbacks. It's supposedly to be expected. Nothing goes up forever. So pullbacks are, let me try to put a song here in the back. Oh, you guys like jazz? I'm a big fan of jazz. So if the music is too loud, write in the comments and I will put it down, the volume. But I super love jazz, guys. Jazz is one of my, I have an old soul. So as you can see here, this is the last hour. But if we go the last week, it's actually been amazing. And like I said, Solana is being one of the best coins of the week. It did 22%. Solana is going down now. I can show after the trade view here. In fact, that's what I'm going to do now. But everything is on the green. Today, everything was not everything, but some stuff was on the green today. This is in the last hour, and where is it here? Trade view. This is my chart. Because I'm doing some tradings on Solana, trying to get some profits. I got out yesterday here on the green, as you can see, and I'm trying to go back in again. But I will try to go back in. Let me go on the daily chart. This is my Solana chart. Again, I'm not a TA, okay? But I love play around here. My expectation is to Solana drop back to the pullback box, okay? If Solana was on an uptrend here, start to go back uptrend, potentially we can go back to my golden box. But in order to go back to the golden box, I believe that Solana needs to break the 45, 46 resistant mark there. So it went down 39. I am expecting to get in the box. And when get into the box, I will try to get back in again here. So 32 would be ideally, but at 34, I'm happy. Here, as you can see. Okay, it's 39 now. There's not much volume. The volume people are selling, so people are taking profits right from the run, which is normal. So I always expect a pullback. All right. What else? Oh, big news, right? Breaking news, actually. Sam Bankman-Fried found guilty. There's no song. I cannot take the other one. Wait, again.
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage, man. He got convicted, right? U.S. Attorney Jamie William called Bankman-Fried crime a multi-billion-dollar scheme designed to make him the king of crypto and one of the biggest financial fraud in American history. Yes. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty of all 7 charges by a jury in his criminal trial in New York after about 4 hours of deliberations. Bankman-Fried was found guilty of 2 counts of wire fraud, 2 counts of wire fraud conspiracy, 1 count of security fraud, 1 count of commodities fraud conspiracy, and 1 count of money laundering conspiracy. He will return to court for sentencing by New York District Judge Louis Kaplan on March 28. Government prosecutor will recommend a sentence by Judge Kaplan will have the final say. Guys, he probably will take around 20 years. Each carry a maximum sentence of between 5 and 20 years in prison with the wire fraud conspiracy and money laundering conspiracy, carrying a maximum of 20-year sentence. Wow. Statement from the team of Sam Bankman-Fried. I took a screenshot of this and I also put on my Twitter. So yeah, that's some. Let me go back here. Let me share again because he unshared, right? So let me go back here. Twitter. Guys, if you don't follow me on Twitter, what the fuck was that? You don't follow me here on X, because here I also bring a lot of news, a lot of gems, okay? Here I discovered the ultimate in 100x crypto jam tool for you always to find the next explosive cycle and ride the rock of massive profit. You guys can go here and you can find the link there is on the description of this video. This is us over here. This is me. Believe it or not, guys, this is me. I am good, huh? I'm fast. This is called capoeira. It's a Brazilian martial arts mixed with dance and music. And I am a master on it. I've been doing this for many, many years, since I was 7 years old. All right. So here, as I said before, I do bring a lot of news over here. So, former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried found guilty of all 7 charges in New York trial, including wire fraud, money laundering, and more. Bankman-Fried faced a possible maximum prison sentence of 20 years for some charges. Sentencing is scheduled for the 28th, as we said before. Other FTX executives have pleaded guilty and testified against Fried during the trial. Bankman-Fried maintained his innocence, blaming others for the issue at the company. A significant turn of events in the crypto world. Yeah, in a way, guys, this is sad for crypto, right? We want all the actors, crypto exchange, projects, all to be good. None of them to be rug pulls. None of them to be scams. None of them do what he did, you know what I mean? But this is also to show that the law exists, and if you overpass the law, you will get in trouble. And that's what he did. He got in trouble. Okay. So the statement here, we respected the jury decision, but we are very disappointed with the result. Fried maintained his innocence and will continue to vigorously fight the charges against him. Well, you were proved until he proved the wrong. He is guilty, and if he is guilty, so many people got lost money. He needs to pay for it. That's the way it is, man. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. Richard Hart post an audio. You guys can check here. I also post on my channel, and he talked about this episode as well. I am very bullish in crypto in general, very bullish metric point potential explosive price for Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Shiba Inu plus post-chain. A shift in sentiment has led some to anticipate a downward correction, as we all been saying, right? There is a correction going on here. May actually increased negative keyword may actually precede upwards trends. Analysts highlights the take buy sell ratio indicating a rise in market to buy order for Bitcoins. Factor like the potential approval for Bitcoin's spot ETF and the 2024 US presidential election are expected to impact the crypto markets positively, potentially attracting institutional investors and driving further interest. And that's what we want. We want institution to come in. We want the mass, because if the mass comes, oops.
Money talk.
Right? If institution comes and all the volume we need comes to the market, we will explode and we will see a super bull market. And that's the importance, and that's the reason why you need to be prepared in order for you to make some gains. Now the question is, one more news. Binance to delist 23 margin trading pairs, including Doge BUSD and Shiba BUSD on November 9. The delist pairs are all dominated in BUSD, with Binance discontinuing BUSD support by early 2024. Users are advised to convert BUSD holdings to other assets before February 2024. Binance moves aims to protect users and ensure quality trading markets by addressing poor liquidity and volume concerns. So be aware. As you can see here, Doge is giving you the face, right? So now let's go to what I want to share with you guys. So I have two. So this is the file that I created here with some coins, but I also have created a list here, which I like very much. I've seen a lot of crypto influencers doing this now, which I like. And I said, why not to do this as well? It's gonna be very nice. Let me try to bring this up. This. So 5x, 20x, 50x, 100x, 1000x. Can one of those coins actually go there? By the way, this is not a coin. This is where I find my hidden gems. The link is on the description of the video. You can click and go there. Okay, is my affiliate link for that. So here is what I believe potentially. Let me drink a sip of my coffee. Potentially, I believe those coins here, they are 50 to 100x, okay? They can go for 100x or 50x, potentially. Again, if everything goes well, okay? So, let's start here. How much or how far could Solana go? Let me go here and type, not Solana, sorry, Cardano. So let me check here. Let me go. Let me put it here. Let's see this. this. So, okay. You guys gonna like this. This is quite cool. So let's start with here Cardano. Cardano, in my way of seeing, potentially Cardano can do a 50x from where we are. 50x from where we are. 50x from where we are. Okay, today, the episode of the show today of the life is how to turn $1,000 to $100,000. Okay, that means, guys, you need to take $1,000 and do 100 times $1,000. You have to do 100 times your $1,000. Let me stop this.
Here we go. Money talk.
And in crypto, you can do that potentially. There is some coins that you could even go to 1,000x. So imagine you put $1,000 and you do 1,000x in that coin. That will make you a millionaire. As simple as that. But we start with Cardano. With ADA, Cardano, honestly, I am between 20x and 50x. Okay, I am between 20x and 50x. On here, I'm going to be a little bit more realistic. Okay, so I'm going to be a little bit more realistic on this page. On the other page, I'm bullish. So here, I'm going to put a 20x. Okay, so in order to Cardano to do 50x, I'm going to repeat again. A 50x Cardano market cap have to be $576 billion. $576.4 billion for one ADA to be worth $16.50. Remember that Cardano now is at 32 cents. A 50x from now put Cardano at $16, right? What I said on my bullish portfolio here.
Here comes the money.
This one.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
But for this portfolio here, for this one, for this side, we are at 20x. And for 20x, for 20x, Cardano have to have a market cap of 226.1, right? $226.1 billion. For one Cardano, one ADA be worth around $6.47. This is an upside of more or less around 19x, right? 1920x, okay? 19x. So that put Cardano at $6.47, okay? For this. For this one, I am okay with that, okay? And again, this is me being bullish. Yeah, like, this is for me, let's say this portfolio is if the market, the global market cap goes to a $6 trillion and above. So if we think about it, let me go here to tokemetrics. Like I said before, I love tokemetrics. I believe tokemetrics is great. Let's see actually what tokemetrics would tell me about this coin, about Cardano. Because tokemetrics have a very AI way of telling things. So if we go here, investors, okay, and we go scenario analyst, right? So let's see if my prediction would be correctly. So if like now Cardano, it has 0.83% dominance And the global market cap, it's at 1 trillion, right? 1 trillion something. So the price of Cardano now is at 32 cents and is exactly where we sit over here, 23 cents to 35 cents, right? We are between there, okay? And we did last cycle, we did $3 trillion, more or less $3 trillion in the global market cap at the peak of the bull run, okay? At the peak when everything was exploding, more or less around here. And Cardano went close to $1, maybe. I don't remember now. I remember last cycle, Cardano was very slow to move and was pissing me off too much. Very slow to move. But if we go back only to the last all-time high of crypto, which I assume we're gonna double that. We're gonna double that
Here comes the money.
because we're gonna have institution coming in. We're gonna have Bitcoin ETF, potentially Ethereum ETF when the bull markets are here. So I'm believing we're gonna go 5 and 6 trillion above that. Okay, oh here, I'm sorry, I didn't show you this. Above that. So if we go 5 to 6 trillion, 10, this is like extremely bullish, like
Living life on the blockchain.
this will get so much. My God, this would be amazing. Okay, super cycle. But if we get to 5 trillion to 6 trillion, which is possible, and let's say the dominance of Cardano goes to around 1.65, we're talking about $2.37 to $5, $6, right? Which is $6 to do a 20x, $6.47, which is possible. I'm happy with that. So I am happy putting Cardano at 20x on the next cycle, right? 20x on the next cycle, okay? Guys, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this live right now on X, on Twitter. In fact, let me put it there. Guys, I am live here on Twitter. Come join me. Let me just share my live here, guys. Let me put it here. Quotes, share. You guys can do this as well. Help me a lot. I am live. Come join me. Crypto friends. There we go. I shared. So I'm happy with that. What about you guys? Are you guys happy with that? And on my bullish prediction, yes, 50x. Why not? Why not? So going back again, you need to turn 1,000 to 100,000, right? So basically, if Cardano does a 50x, how much do you need to put in Cardano to have 100,000, right? Or you need to put 2,000 Cardano to get your 100,000, right? But we want diversification. We want to change. We want to change the color in my background, Pablo. Let's put it green. We're bullish, shall we? Bullish, shall we? So my next token is Hex. The other day I had a question. Why do you like Hex? I like Hex, guys. I think Hex at the moment is undervalued because Hex will do also, I think, in a bullish scenario, Hex will do 100x. Okay. So let me go here. Let me see if I have Hex here. I don't have here Hex. So do I have here Hex? A lot of people going P Hex or E Hex. I think both will do good. Okay. Wow, let me share. Sorry, I'm not sharing. I think both will do good. P Hex and E Hex. I think both. P Hex is a little bit more expensive than E Hex, but at some point they might pair on the same price. Okay, guys. And the reason why I am bullish on Hex, and I believe Hex will do potentially a 50x. Where are we? Here. I believe that Hex will do a 50x is because of the community. And yes, the community alone. Guys, the Hex community is one of the strongest communities out in the crypto space. And they hodlers. They hold for a long time. They don't sell it. They stake for years. So yes, I strongly believe that EHEX will do good and PHEX potentially will do very strong. Okay, now the trilogy, okay, the trilogy, Hex, Postchain, and PostX, they will do even better. Listen to this. They will do even better depending in how the SEC case goes. But even then, I think the community will drive those tokens to the moon. Okay, so I am on a bullish scenario here for Hex at 50x. Going to my tokens here, X are here. Just for what I said, from where it is today, 1 cent. Right? I don't think I have Hex over here. Let me check. Hex. Let me see. We don't have a reliable source on circulating supply yet for this token. So I cannot see. But EHEX is 8% down today. And is it got to 1 cent, guys, on 3 of November. The EHEX got to 1 cent. Right? 1 cent. That's great. That's bullish. So I believe that it can go a 50x up to 50 cents because that was the all-time high, 55 cents, right? So this is my conservative. This is my conservative my conservative how do you call it? Spreadsheet. So I'm gonna put a Hex here at 20x to be safe, right? So we are bullish here. We're degens here. We don't care here. Here we're gonna turn 1,000 to 100. So I can put 1,000 to Cardano, 1,000 to Hex, and I will make 100,000. On this mindset, I'm bullish. All right. But here I am more engaged. Here more relaxed. So Hex can go to 20 cents, 25 cents, 23 cents. That is very, 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 very possible, guys. Remember, we are in crypto. Very, very possible. Very, very possible. Let's go back to my bullish here. Bullish portfolio. PostX. PostX is a DEX on the Postchain network. And the reason why PostX can do amazingly good, again, like I said previously, because of the communities are great, right? PostX, Postchain, Hex, the communities are great. So the communities can drive those tokens very, 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 very high. All right. One of the reasons, the main reasons that will be the first cycle for Postchain, and tokens and projects intend, if they are good, they intend to do very, very good on the first cycle, right? And if this cycle is the super cycle that everybody's saying is the way it's going to explode, the way people believe it will explode, PostX, the main deck, there is other decks, but PostX is the main DEX on Postchain. I believe the PostX token can easily do a also 50x from the price where we are today. So if we go to GoPost, which is an analytic exchange swap tool, you can do a lot of things on this site. If you don't know about it, you guys can go here and get more information. So as you can see here, guys, the sacrifice or ICO, IDO, whatever you want to call it, for PLSX, it was 301. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the tag life. Tag life. Guys, it's a bargain. I'm not saying for you to go and buy, but would you not want to be exposed in a project like this? I don't know. Well, I can tell you what I am doing, okay? And what I am doing is I am on PostX. I am on PostX, on PostChain, on Hex. I am on the trilogy because I believe these projects have potential to turn my investments to 10, 20, 50, 100, and depends the amount of time that I hold, quiçá 1000x. It will do this cycle. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but potentially, it can do very, very good. And I based this on Hex that did the 10,000x. Frozen, I think we are back. And I hope you guys are back and you guys can hear me. Stay with me. Don't go away. Stay with me. Because it freezes sometimes, but it comes back eventually. Come on, YouTube. Yeah, let's keep going, guys. I hope it goes back on YouTube. Let me see if it's okay on Twitter. Let's see if it's okay on Twitter here. Yes, I'm back on Twitter. Let's see if I'm back on here on YouTube. Let me just refresh the page so I don't want nobody to stay there. Then I'm not there. Yes, I'm there. I'm back. So yes, I am bullish on PostX, PostChain, and Hex, as you guys know. So 50x and for PostX, guys, I will put here my first fix 50x on my safe chart. I think if everything goes well, potentially PostX can do a 50x on the next cycle. Right? That's it. Said. I think that's it can do good. Next, what's next? That will be Moonbeam. Moonbeam. Do I have Moonbeam here? Oh, I don't have Moonbeam here. Why? Let me take a Moonbeam. So Moonbeam. I'm just got a Moonbeam. I mean, come on. I'm gonna add the Moonbeam here, so I can add the Moonbeam up there. Otherwise, I won't be able to. Let me just take this here. Let me download this. Save this. Let me go here. Let me get a file over here and let me see if I got it. This Moonbeam. There we go. Moonbeam is there. Okay, let me take this down over here. Great. So Moonbeam. Where do I see Moonbeam, guys? Moonbeam, and this for Moonbeam is because Moonbeam is also the first hype cycle for Moonbeam. This project, Moonbeam, I like it. I think it's great. Had a very big hype on the last cycle when with all the parachains and everything, right? So I believe that Moonbeam here can do a potential 50 to 100x. 50 to 800x. And you guys cannot see that. I just open here. Let me see if Moonbeams are here. Moonbeam are here. Yes, it is over here. I like Moonbeam, guys. Potentially Moonbeam. Let's see if there is all the here. Let me share this with you, and I'll tell you why I like Moonbeam. Moonbeam price at the moment is at 20 cents. It's at buy. Okay. There is a 62.10% in token metric investor grade for the long term, right? Investor grade. This is for trade. Okay, let's see for the trade. Wow, 80.80% on TM trade grade, meaning people are making money by trading. The last 2 weeks, whoever trading Moonbeam did at least a 20% on trading. And at the moment is bullish people who are trading here. People are bullish buying Moonbeam. Very interesting. Let's go to PL chart. As you can see here, people are bullish on buying Moonbeam. Whoever bought Moonbeam, or whoever is holding Moonbeam, in that case, is down 25% from the in the ROI, right, on the ROI. Volatility at 98%. You need to be careful with that. This is for traders. But if we go to investors, which is long-term holders, okay, which I believe Moonbeam can do a 50 to 100x in the next cycle. Let's go first for the fundamentals. Moonbeam is a cryptocurrency asset that aims to provide a decentralized platform for building and deploying application on Polkadot. In this investment report, we will analyze the fundamental metric of Moonbeam to assess its potential as an investor opportunity. And then there's the community here. I explained to you about the community, the tokenomics. Moonbeam circulating supply stands at 70%, indicating a healthy distribution of tokens in the market. A well-distributed token supply can potentially contribute to the project's overall stability and long-term sustainability. However, the liquidity ratio of 3% falls short of the ideal range of 5% to a 50%, indicating potential challenge in terms of market liquidity. All right? But overall, taking account the fundamental metrics and analyze, Moonbeam showcase positive community engagement and strong interest from all the enthusiasts. However, concerns regarding the absence of disclosed team and investors, as well as projects liquidity ratio, raise cautionary flag. So, of course, you keep your eyes open there. They have a 53.94 fundamental grades over here. Potentially, the higher it goes, better it is. But let's see if there is a scenario here. If we go to the bullish scenarios that we're speaking over here, we are talking about, let's say Moonbeam does, at the moment, it's at 0.001% in dominance. If it does a 0.06%, which is possible, but that means we need to go to a bullish market of around 5 to 6 trillion. We are talking Moonbeam around $3.89 to a $7 from now. And this Moonbeam is at 20 cents today. 20 cents, right? Let me see here. Moonbeam, let me see here. That is, let's put Moonbeam at how much I said is, let's put 7. That's very bullish. Let's put less bullish. Let's put 4. Let's put 418. That's a 20x, right? So if Moonbeam does a 20x from now, 20x only, 20x guys, 20x. That's putting Moonbeam, the market cap of Moonbeam at 3.2 billion. That's it. 3.2 billion. Now, Moonbeam, it's very low market cap. It's at 162 million. But a project big as Moonbeam, right? A big as Moonbeam, I strongly believe they can do a 50x. At least, right? Not financial advice. So that for this, Moonbeam have to do, let's see here, wait, so I have to do a 50x, Moonbeam have to do, have to do a, no, this, wait, so we have to do 10, let's say this. We do 1050 maybe. Yeah, 10, if Moonbeam goes to $10.5, and I'll tell you why it can go, okay? I'll tell you why. If Moonbeam goes to a $10, 10.05, right? $10.50. That is 49x up. 49x up. Guys, is at 21 cents, right? But the all-time high of Moonbeam, is, let me see here. Let me go back to trading view charts. Let's see if I can see this. We're here. Let's see over here. Guys, all of this is inside token metrics. Huh? That's how amazing it is, by the way. So let me do, no, that's a week. Let's do the all-time high for Moonbeam is $15, right? Right when it came out. And that was 16th of January 2022. It was already like the bear market already started. That's why this cycle is the first cycle for Moonbeam. And if Moonbeam just go back to the all-time high, that's it, guys. It's crazy. If it goes back to the all-time high, which is 1522, that is a 72x from now. 72x from now. 72x from now. So I think Moonbeam potentially, let's go back to investors, scenario analyst. Let's see here. This would be around here, but if the dominance goes to 1.20, is $77. That would be crazy. I don't think that will be, but let's double this. Let's put at, this is a more or less, if it does, if Moonbeam goes to $21, if Moonbeam goes to $21, potentially is 100x from now. 100x from now. And all will depend as well on Polkadot, obviously. Polkadot doing good, Moonbeam explodes. And remember, I the other day I was speaking to some friend about it, and I was thinking that Moonbeam, guys, have a very strong potential, especially because of Polkadot. I think Polkadot will get strength back. And do you remember how Moon River did last time? Do you remember how Moon River did last time? The potential for Moonbeam to go, and let's see, because they are building, right? They are making stuff. Let's go to the Twitter here. Very fast. Check. This is Moonbeam. Look, Moonbeam Ignite. Socials, lots of followers, a lot of engagement. We need people. So they have a lot of people engaging. This 3rd of October, they are building, they are creating, they are doing things. Look, conference, they're active, guys. I'm very interested on Moonbeam. I hold some Moonbeams, of course. I'm skin on the game here. So potentially 50x to 100x. Again, this, I am very bullish on this side of my portfolio. On that side of my portfolio over here, I am a little bit more conservative, more safe. And just to be safe, I'm going to put 50x. Just to be safe. But those two tokens, they potentially can do more, especially because of the engagement, the community, and also being the first cycle, right? Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Let me put this at 1000x here. This is my trading view. Trading view they don't have a coin, guys. It's just a tool to find the 1000x, the 100x, the 50x, the 20x, the 5x. All right. Who gonna do a 5x from now? Who guess who? Guess who gonna do a 5x from here?
Here we go. Money talk.
Potentially Bitcoins. Bitcoins potentially can do a 5x from now. if Bitcoin does a 5x from now, do you believe Bitcoin can do a 5x from now? Write me in the comments. Do you believe Bitcoin can do a 5x from now? Where is today? If it does, do you know how much Bitcoin is going to be worth? 100,073. 173,000. 100. Let's put Bitcoin there already. 5x. I believe Bitcoin potentially can do a 5x, but I think I am saying Bitcoin around 120 to 100 and to 143. 120 to 143k in the next cycle on the top, on the peak. 120 to 143k. There you go. I said it. But if Bitcoin does a 5x, a full 5x from now, the Bitcoin's full market cap will be $3.4 trillion alone, without any altcoins. And that, guys, it's a 400% upside from today's price. 400%. Well, I believe in cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is the only place that you can make those kind of percent in your investments, right? No financial advice. I'm just here for entertainment purpose only.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Oh yes. So that's for Bitcoins. Next coins that I believe can turn your $1,000 to maybe potentially $100,000. Guys, if I do a 50x in some projects, I'm very happy. If I do a 50x in some of my projects, I'm very happy. 100x will be the cherry on top of the cake. The cherry on top of the cake. That's what it's going to be. So, Gala Games can do potentially 100x. Why? Because Gala Games, it's a very nice project that I believe potentially can do very good. So let's go to token metrics. Gala Games, the trading grade 75%, and it's green here, as you can see, not red. The red you sell. For this, okay, in this metric here, when you see a red, you sell, so you get your profit before falls, and you get your green before go up. And you see the green, you buy before go up. You are bullish when you're bullish and when you're bearish. Bullish and you're bearish. Right? Normally, guys, remember this. You buy on the red and you sell on the green when we see normal charts. You see normal charts is red, everything is all the way low, red, you buy. When it goes up, green, 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 green. You buy it. You sell it. Okay, don't buy. Don't buy at the green. Don't buy at the top. When I first started in crypto, I bought some top, and then you lost money, and then you believe that crypto is a scam. No, on the green you take out profits, and remember to take bloody profits. Don't be the person holding the token for other people. All right. In this channel, we tell you, create your moon bag. Make sure that you take profits and you be happy afterwards. Take profit, right? So let's go investors. We don't want to trade. We just want to invest, right? So Gala Games fundamental. Gala is a crypto asset that has gained significant attention in the market. In this investment report, we will analyze various fundamental metrics on Gala provides. Communities, very strong. We're going to check communities very soon. Team and investors. Gala has a team comprising 369 employees, which places it in the 59.1st percentile. Additional, Gala has attracted notable investors such as Binance Labs, Broccoli Capital, Capture Alpha, and Ignite Group Hong Kong, based on our investor score, which takes into consideration the reputation and track records of the investors. Gala scored a very solid 70%. The tokenomics here. In terms of token metrics, Gala's circulating supply stands at 10%. Yes, you heard it right. 10%. We go and check now. 1 second, I'll check with you. Placing 100 place percentiles. This indicates that all tokens have been released into circulation. Yes, all tokens have been out in circulation. It's important to know that Gala's liquidity ratio currently stands at 216%. The ideal range for liquidity ratio is typically considered between 5 and 50%. Gala is higher liquidity ratio that may indicate potential market manipulation, and thus it receive a score of 0%. So you need to keep your eyes on that. Based on the fundamental metrics, analysts, this report, Gala received a fundamental grade of 68%, which is good. It's okay, it's above 50, but the highest goes better, right? So Gala is at neutral at the moment. It's at 1.8. It haven't moved. It's a little bit consolidated on the side, Gala. But if it drops, guys, I would look into it. Okay, as you can see here, they burned over half of the supply, and all the circulation is out. Right, circulating supplies the same amount as total supply. This is awesome, by the way. No more inflation, right? So if we go here to the sentimental, if we go to Twitter and trying to see, it's almost 500,000 followers, guys, and they have a lot of engagements, as you can see here. And they are building 22 hours ago, 5 hours ago. They are creating content, they are writing, they are putting things out. I like Gala. Now you say to me, but Crypto B, but the investors, they were suing the co-founders, they were suing each other. Yes, they were suing each other. I remember that. But the project itself is great. So despite the FUD, I like Gala. And I told you guys Gala before, a couple of days ago. Let me go to the site here. This is Gala. I was thinking there's another token called GAFL, Game for Living, that which I think is also interesting and might do very well. But Gala, guys, this is like the other tokens that I was speaking before. This will be the first main cycle for Gala in a way, like the strong one with super cycle, everything. So I really like Gala. I think potentially Gala can do 100x. It will do 100x. That's a different story. Let me see here. Gala Games. Let me see how much would that be. Ooh, that's too much. That's too little. So let's put it here. Oh, that's great. That's good. So if Gala goes to where I believe Gala can go, right? That means Gala market cap will be around $51 billion, which is very possible. Okay. If Gala gets to that, guys, Gala will do each Gala token will be around $1.85. Bear in mind that the Gala token on the last cycle, all-time high, it was, let's go here. No, let's go here so we can check traders, and let's see trading view chart. Let's go over here. Let's sign in again. Let's go here. Where? Gala. Where is it here? Trading view chart. Okay. There's, guys, see this tool? There's price predictions here and stuff. It's very good too. I like a lot. So over here, let's go down. The all-time high for Gala was 83 cents. 83 cents. Gala today is 1 cent, guys. 1 cent. 1 cent. It's like you're going back in time over here. Literally, when they launch Gala. So yeah, I'm bullish about I'm bullish. If you were trading Gala, you are actually doing quite well. In the last 2 weeks, you would have done 43% in trading if you were trading Gala. Not bad. In the last hour, Gala is very bullish on trading. At the moment, of course, be careful, be aware, be smart, play the smart game. So yes, going here now to our, so for the first time, where are you Gala here? Gala will go to my 100x potential on my safe side. So I think Gala potentially can do 100x, potentially. We never know. If I knew for sure, I would have already been a millionaire from before. So this is Gala token. Let's go back. My next potential 150, 100x is Algorand. I don't know, guys. I like Algorand. I think Algo is a nice coin and have a very strong potential to do. Let's go here as well to check. I like Algorand. Algorand here. Let's 1 second, then I'm gonna go to token metrics as well. Algo. Let's go here. Just see in X. Let's over here Algorand. One of the things that I like about Algorand, that the total supply is already in circulation, so no inflation, which is great, right? It's at strong buy here. It's 81% in trades. If you're trading Algorand for the last 30 days, you would be up. It's great. So it's, look, people are bullish. All right, people are bullish, which is great. That's nice. The all-time, let's already see this. The all-time high for Algorand, it was $2.67. The all-time high. Let's go to fundamentals, and then we also go after to sentimental, and we check there after. Let's see, where am I? Where you are here? Here we go. Algorand is a cryptocurrency that aims to provide a secure, scalable, and decentralized platform for building decentralized applications and financial protocols. Utilize a unique consensus mechanism called Pure Proof of Stake, or PPOS, to achieve high transactions throughput and ensure security. In this report, they're going to analyze this and this and that. So we go back to the conclusion. Based on this fundamental metric, analyze, Algorand received a token metric fundamental grades of 76%. That's great. The active community, reputable investors, and strong trading volume are positive. If we go to the tokenomic here, like I said before, 100% of tokens supply is out. This indicates a healthy distribution, reduced risk of price manipulation by a small number of entities. However, the liquidity ratio is 5 to 50%, reducing to 0. The same thing as the other one, because it's all supply out. So let's go to scenario analyst. To the scenario analyst, if it goes back to the last, remember, so at the last cycle, at 247, 252, something around those, right? So the dominance of Algorand was around 0.65%, and price was around $2, 247, right? If we go back, there is already that, but But we believe this
Here
time
comes the money.
is gonna be fantastic. Right? This time is gonna be great. We have this bull market, we believe. We can see maybe potentially Algorand going all the way to around between $4 and $8, 8.24. Guys, it's at 11 cents today. And these things are only possible in crypto. Is this what's going to happen? We don't know. But potentially, right? Potentially, it can do it. Let's go to sentiment. So let's go to, look, we're on Twitter. A lot of followers, right? A lot of followers. A lot of engagements. They have a lot of projects going on. Great community. So yeah, I am bullish on Algorand. So Algorand, let's go to my this here. This is my bullish scenario. I believe Algorand can do 100x, 100% on this scenario here, right? Again, nothing that I say is supposed to be considered a financial advice. Do never put money that you're not willing to lose. Only invest money that you already spoke to the wife or to the husband, and you know exactly where you're putting your money. Remember, it's your hard-earned money. You don't want to put, however, anywhere. That's why diversification, right? You can turn how much let me open here, but just before, let me put it, wait, where is it? Algorand. So Algorand, on my safe portfolio, I'm going to leave at 50x, right? And 50x, right? Let's say 56x would be Algorand going up to $6.44 potentially. If Algorand market cap goes to 51 billion, Algo coin, one Algorand will be around $6.43. Remember, the last all-time high was $2.47, right? If it goes 56x from now, is $6.43. Would you be happy with the money you put in? That's the question, right? So on my safe prediction here, Algorand around 50x, right? But on my bullish prediction is 100x, right? Depends where you are here. Okay, just before me carry on, let me tell you something. Let me just open here very fast. Let me tell you something very fast. Can I turn one? I want 100. How much money you are willing to lose in a way, right? Because you don't know if you're gonna get the money back. I want to earn 100,000. I am happy with 100,000. I'm happy. So, how much money do you need to put in, or how much money do I need to put in to make 100,000? So, if I'm putting some money in coins, that this coin's making a 10x, and I put 1,000x, that means it's gonna be 10,000. So it's not gonna be 100, the 100 that I want. But I'm scared as well to put 1,000 only in one coin, so I have to diversify. So I'm gonna put 100x. Here 100x, there 100x, there 100x, there 200x, $200 here, $100 there, $100 there, $200 there. Why? Because I can get 100x here, 50x there, 100x there, 200x there, another 100x here, another 20x here, another 3x, and that will give me the 100x overall for me to get to 100,000. You might say to me, the other day I was speaking to my friends from the Beach Brother channels, and I said, Papa, if I get $250,000, would you be happy? With $250,000, 250,000. He said, 100%. I'll be happy, very happy. So where can we put our money, and how much money do we need to make the 250K, right? So depends on the amount of money you put, right? If you put 50,000, you need 5x to make 250, to 5x only, whatever. So depends the amount of money you have. Oh, I only have $200. $200 is what it's gonna be. What I would say is don't put $200 in one coins. Put 20 here, 25 there, 10 over here, 50 there, until you get $200. That's Degens, man. That's the way it is. Because if you lose in one coin, you get in the other. Only invest the money where you're willing to lose. Not financial advice. But it's true, right? You put just money just in one coin, you're playing the lottery. That if that coin doesn't go to where you want, that's it. Kaput. You will miss the run, and then
Emotional damage.
you're gonna get emotional damage. And that's not the thing, right? So diversify. That's the way. Oh, but I am a Bitcoin maximalist. No, I am a Hex maximalist. I am this maximalist. Guys, you can do whatever you like. Again, it's your hard-earned money. You know where you're gonna put. Me, Crypto B, I will diversify. If I have $1,000, I'm gonna put here, here, here. If I have $5,000, I'm gonna put here, 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 and there. If I have $10,000, I'm gonna diversify. Diversification, right? Put it here, there, and there, because that will bring in me potentially more than 100x. Imagine you have 10,000. Imagine you have 20,000, and you put, okay, I have enough money. I'm confident on this coin, on that coin, and this coin. So here I am more confident. So I'm not gonna put 100. I'm gonna put maybe 500. Oh, here I'm extremely confident. So I'm gonna put 1,000, right? Because I have enough money. But what about if you lose that 10,000, that 20,000? You lose, and then that's part of the game. That's it. What you do. So that's why we're trying to investigate to see if the projects that we're trying to get in are good enough to make us the 100x return. Not everybody will make 100x return, guys. Remember that there's a lot of things attached to it. Are you going to be able to hold for that long? Imagine you put your coin there and then you see 10x, right? Let's say you put $1,000. Let's play a game, and you put $1,000.
They talk.
Here comes the money.
And then you start to see the money coming. He's coming, the money. And then you see 5,000, 5x. You think, oh my God, 5,000, I put 1,000. And then you see 10,000. And then you see 20,000. And then, but it's not 100 yet. Remember? And then you see 25,000. And then you see 35,000. And then you see 45,000. Are you going to be able to hold that long without taking? Remember, you put 1,000 only. And now you look at your portfolio and you think, shit, I have like 55,000. That means 55x already. What would you do? You hold it to 100, you hold it to or you start to take profits. That's the magic. That's the beauty of things. Remember, nothing will go up forever. We'll have pullbacks and we'll have a retrace. So you need to play smart, right? Crypto, what do you do? I will take, as it start to go up, 10%, 15%, another 10%. Oh, it's retracing. Well, the market is going back again. Another 10%, 15% back, pull back. Me, reinvest that money again, and let's ride. Take a percent. But before anything, I will take my principal invest. I put $1,000. Oh, I have done already a 15x. Oops, let me take my 1,000 back, please. Thank you very much. I'm paying myself back. I'm paying myself back. Now, all the money is there. It's just my profits. If I lose, I never had that money anyway. So now I can play with it. Oh, that token is doing better. Let me put my 1,000 back there. Or let me take some over here. Let me put some there. Let me put it over here. Let me put it there. You buy and selling the duck. You sell the duck. You sell the duck in the morning for 50. And in the night, you buy the duck again because everybody's full. Nobody want to eat. And you sell, you buy again for 20. The morning comes, you sell again for 100. And you wait, and in the night, you buy again for 10. And there you go. And you keep going and keep building. You keep building. Remember, and we don't have a long time. We're going to have a cycle. The cycle going to go and going to come back and going to finish. Let's carry on here with the tokens. Those things are important to be said, guys. Those things are important to be said. Okay, the last one here on my extremely bullish is, let me go here for you, is posting. So like previously, like I said, post-chain is faster, more beautiful. Post-chain is faster, cheaper, and better blockchain. And above all, is like 6 months old, meaning this will be the first cycle for post-chain. And let me go to my Twitter here, and let me share here with you guys. And let me share with you guys this over here. So let me go here. Let me find this first. If you don't follow me on Twitter, follow, because I bring so many things nice there, guys. A lot of news, a lot of information. I always say good morning to you. Lucy, a lot of news, a lot of things regarding all the around cryptocurrency. I breeze and leave crypto on my X. Even when I'm traveling, see, this is me traveling in an airport in the UK. Where is it? I want to show you guys something that, one of the things that make me very bullish on post-chain. Very, very, very bullish on post-chain. Dig between, hey, what's up? Have a great stream. Thank you very much, brother, on Twitch. If you guys are watching me on Twitch, so great to have you guys here from Twitch. Follow me on Twitch there for all the streamings. Also, follow me on Twitter and follow me here. I did the DeFi map for post-chain. That's what I'm trying to find, to show you guys how great is this community and why I'm so bullish on post-chain. Come on, where is it? Here. Look at this. One of post-chain key innovation. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, if you don't know the post-chain ecosystem, you're missing out, because post-chain is a real DeFi ecosystem, right? A place where you will definitely have fun in the crypto, right? Post-chain key innovation is a focus on reducing the high transaction fee associated to Ethereum network. Ethereum scalability issues and high gas fee have often hindered DeFi adoption and usage. Well, post-chain solves that problem. Address this issue by providing a more cost-effective platform for DeFi application and users, right? You might say to me, but there is any project already on post-chain with only 5 months? Well, look at this. DeFi, let me open it. Let's see if you can be bigger. DeFi, Content Hub, Analytics Projects, Bridge, Privacy, Domain, Oracle, Incubator, Wallet, Stable Coins, Guilds, NFTs, Marketplace, NFTs Project, Trading Decks, Gaming Tokens, Mimi Coins, and Store of Values Project. Guys, with over 40, in fact, let's go here and check to be more precise on the validators. I'll tell you here, 48,000, listen to this, 48,851 active validators, making post-chain the third most decentralized crypto blockchain in the space. This is me dropping the mic, by the way. Right? So, post-chain, and for all this, the volume, the projects, and everything that is going on, I believe post-chain, my friends, post-chain can do a 100x. Boom. Explode just like that. Now you tell me, but post-chain will do 100x? Well, if I knew that for sure, I would be already a millionaire, right? So I don't know. And that's why I diversify, right? So if we go here on my safe predictions, post-chain, 100x. Listen to this. For me, on the long term, you can call me crazy if you like. You can call me crazy. So you can call me crazy if you like, but I like post-chain, guys. And I think post-chain potentially, eventually, will be over here. It's not yet. I think this cycle, to be safe, if everything goes well, potentially, post-chain can do around 100x. Okay? Price of post-chain right now. Let's go there. Let me share with you guys here. Let me take this out. Internet's a bit slow today. Let me take this and let's just enter again. So, guys, listen to this. Post-chain at 4.06. It's a bargain. Remember that not many people sacrifice for it. A lot of people didn't really know. In fact, I did not sacrifice for post-chain. Before post-chain launch, I had no PLS at all, zero. And then I had, you know how much post-chain I had?
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Here we go. I had 45 million or 40 million, I think, post-chain that I buy on the dip. Oh, yes, 40 million. But then I got scammed. And the MD, the mother, you know what I mean? The guy who made me
Emotional damage.
The guy who made me emotional damage they drained my wallet, and I lost 45 million post-chain PLS and 65 million post-X. That's what I had. And I lost everything. So now I'm restarting from zero again with PLS. I put $200 on PLS, but hope potentially I'm gonna add some more because I'm going for the 100x, right? So, but what about if PLS doesn't do 100x? You're gonna be wrong. Well, and then we're wrong, and then what? I'm telling you what I'm gonna do, and that means I will not make 100x, and you're not gonna make 100x as well. So only if PLS make 100x and the other token make 100x. But for everything we see, we are speculating. Everything in crypto is about speculation, right? But IDO, ICO, sacrifice, whatever you want to call it, for this token, guys, it was at 301. So we are very below that. We are very below that, right? So potential is huge. Potential is huge. I see 100x potential. All of this, of course, is potential. And of course, can you turn 1,000 to 100,000? Of course you can. If you believe in a project and that, how many people, imagine those projects that did 20, imagine if you put $1,000 to Hex when Hex came out. It did a 10,000x, not 100, 10,000x. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? So potentially, you have potential not to turn to 100. This cycle, we have potential to turn our investments to hundreds, plural, of X's. Is this what's going to happen? I don't know. But I wanna take the risk. High risk, high reward. I want to take the risk for me, right? I'm willing to put the money and lose if I make a mistake on the token, because nothing is financial advice, right? Of course. So let's go in the chat. Before I finish with my bullish prediction, but I do have some coins here as well. We can play with them. D-Wave, how are you doing today? Thanks for coming. From current price or from SAC? No, I think from current price. From where it is now. From where it is now. 100x from where it is today. What would that be? That would be. Let me see here. I'm terrible with maths, and the machine is not working. Not helping me today. So we are at 0.00 6, correct? Times. Would that put, if I'm correct on my math, it's 206. Is that correct? 206. Yeah, you are correct. Oh, yeah, I was correct. So yeah, 206. That, you know what? Listen, this is what I'm gonna tell you guys is me on a very dreaming bullish mode. Okay, me in a very dreaming bullish mode. If okay, I believe that 100x for PostX. I believe that. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna do it, but I like the project. I like the communities. As much as I like other tokens as well, as you guys can see here, I do hold other tokens. I hold Moonbeam, I hold Algorand, but I like PostX. I think PostX, especially because of the community and being the first cycle, the first hype cycle. If this cycle gonna be crazy and bullish as we predict it will, that's what I think it might happen. I think we get to 100x and then we will see a dip. We will see a big dip. Why? Because if it does, guys, like we said before, a lot of people will be taking profits. Okay. If I do 100x from now on post chain, I will take profit. Of course, I will take profits. I'm not crazy. People will be taking profit. So we will see dip on the way up. But at the peak of the market, I think, okay, and this is just speculation. If post-chain PLS reach 1 cent, and this is going like, what, 200x? Is it about 200x? 200x, more or less. Is that correct? 200x? Anyway, to 1 cent, and will be the most resistance because a lot of people will be selling there. A lot. But if we, this is crazy, but if we break that 1 cent, and then I think PLS will be one of those catalyst coins that will explode. And then I would see PLS around 6 to 7 cents. You can call me crazy. Not crazy. Just, yeah, you can be crazy. But if it break 1 cent, guys, no, just imagine this. Goes to 1 cent. If you break the 1 cent, everybody will think, oh shit, we'll do like heck. We'll go. Because if you break 1 cent, I believe that the whole market will be think, shit, X did the 10,000X post chain. Do you remember right before the launch and before when was still the sacrifice was still going on? So many people are saying 10,000x, 10,000x, Lambo, 10,000x, 10,000, and then the hype started going down as we were taking very long to launch, and then took 2 years almost to launch, and then we launched, and then the price went all the way down, and then SEC started suing Richard, and then the price even went down, even lower down. Now people are, do you really think can do 50x, can do 100x? Where is the people about they were so hyped about the 10,000x? I'll tell you where they are. If PLS break that 1 cent, which is difficult, of course, but if it does, and we're talking about very bullish, like extremely bullish, all the way, the global market cap, it's already almost at 10 trillion thousand, is an institution inside, ETF of Bitcoin, ETF of Ethereum. Everything's going crazy, guys. We don't know how the market's going to be like this because it's the first time, right? If all this thing goes crazy the way it's expected to be, and then we see PLS breaking 1 cent, all those moon boys, all those people who are complaining, who first were saying 10,000x, 10,000, they will come back and they'll go like, oh my God, it's gonna break, it's gonna be a 10,000x, and all those people, all those hype will push the token to around 5, 6, 7 cents. And then a lot of people gonna say, you know what? I need to take money out, and a lot of people gonna become millionaire then, and we'll take money out. And then we'll see drop. And then, by then, I think will be the beginning of a bear market. And then it will be a lot of people believing that actually we'll do a 10,000x, and it will be holding a lot of people's bag. That's how I see it going to all the way up there, all the way up there. If all the things play hype, everybody's hype, everything goes crazy, we go to 1 cent, we go to for in that mode, right? You know what I mean, right? So, but yeah, I'm very bullish on PLS, especially if Richard win the SEC case. If he fights them and he lose, and then we will see, of course, we will see a dump, guys. Everybody gonna a lot of people gonna dump. Like with remember just with the news, a lot of people dump. It dumped around 65%. So you will see this, but and then we'll pick up again, and then we'll probably we're not gonna do 100x, but we'll go up, but maybe not 100x, and because of the news, basically. But I mean, it's a DeFi project. Nobody can change the code, can do nothing with it. People can just build on it, and people are building, which is great. Okay, the token of the week. The token of the week, it was Solana. Can Solana do a 50x? Very, 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 very difficult. Very, very, very difficult. But I would say Solana around that is a lot. But I would say Solana. Let's go to Tokenmetric, because let's see here. Solana. So I like Solana, guys. I don't hold Solana anymore because I sold Solana. I sold at the top when it was, I'll tell you now. I sold Solana over here. I just told you, right? I sold Solana here, 45. And now I'm waiting to go to around 34, 32 to go back in again, to get more coins, right? Like I said before, trying to get more coins here. Solana, it's a strong buy, 84% on trading. People who are trading now, they're doing very well. On the last 30 days, people did 71% in trading. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But if we go to the scenario analysis here, and on a bullish scenario, if the global market cap go around 5 to 6 trillion, guys, we are talking Solana here between $588 to $700. No, this is too much. Yeah, that out and that on Solana. Let's check here. Let's be conservative. Let's put 600, and let's put maybe 600. 600. Let's put 600 to. Let's put this. That would be too much. Let's put over here. Look, if Solana does a 10x. Look from where it is today. So where did it start? Solana is here, right? So Solana is over here. Solana is over here. If we do a 10x, oh, you don't see my chart. This is the all-time high of Solana, 260, all-time high. A 10x of Solana, it's around. A 10x is 899% upside from where we are today, and that puts Solana around $395, which is possible. 395 that would bring us 395 here. Like I said, 800% more or less up. That's 1,000%, but 899. That's here 800 and 900%. Around $333, right? And that would be from the all-time high. Only 33% from the all-time high of Solana. Very possible. I am bullish on Solana, and because I am bullish on Solana and I like Solana, I'm gonna put Solana 20x. That will put Solana price at 790. That's a 19x upside, and that's for Solana to be at that price. That means Solana need to be with a market cap of $331.5 billion. At the moment, Solana is at $39. So I would like to be a little exposed to that. And it's possible. It is possible, Solana to get there. So I like Solana. Do you think Polygon will do 8 to 10x? I like Polygon as well. Let's see. Let's check Polygon. Matic. I like Matic a lot. Let's see here on token metrics. Polygon is at buying at the moment. Polygon have a very good score on trading, 77%. Investor mode, 77 as well, is at buy. At the moment, Solana, Polygon is at 66 cents. I do hold Solana, Polygon myself as well. In a bullish scenario, because we are expecting, when I say bullish, it's because we are thinking Polygon, the global market cap to go over the 3 trillion, right? Last cycle, we did more or less 3 trillion. So if we double, that's going to be 6 trillion. So between 5 and 6 trillion going towards 10 in a bullish scenario. If that happens, let's see how Polygon did in the old time. Let me go here. Polygon. Let's see how Polygon did. The all-time high for Polygon, it was around 260, 270 in the last cycle. So it was around here, the dominance. So let's say it goes crazy over here. I don't see why we cannot see Polygon around $12 if it goes that ballistic. But to be safe, around $7, let's say $7.41. That would be, let's see here. This is a 10x from now. Yeah, it's possible, because that would put the market cap for Polygon would be around 6 to 1 billion. 6 to 1 billion. Let's see fundamentals here. Polygon is a crypto asset that aims to address the scalability, and they are doing that. Actually, we have Solana. Why am I saying Solana? They have Polygon Matic 2.0 just came out and called POL on Ethereum. You can exchange 1-to-1 ratio, I think there. It's for scalability on the Ethereum layer 2. Guys, there is 3 layer 2 this time. We have Optimism. We have what's the other one? We have Polygon, and we have, what's the other one? Oh God, escape from my head. I don't remember. But there's another one. I will remember to the end. Based on the fundamental, let's say tokenomics, the circulation supply of Polygon is 90%, reaching the maximum percentage score of 100%. So tokenomics is great. Polygon has demonstrated a strength in its communities. Let's see here on Twitter as well. Polygon. Engagement team and investor support. However, challenge illiquidity and competitive landscape should be close monitored. Of course, we also need to keep our eyes on the project, but it's close to the total supply is out. This is great. This is good. I like it. And like I said, I hold Polygon. I think Polygon is going to do a run, guys, in the next cycle. Look, a lot of followers. There's a lot of engagements. The community is active. This is nice. That means they are building, they are doing stuff. Things are moving. And I like that. So a 10x for Polygon. What am I calling Solana? I think I'm dreaming with Solana lately. So 10x would put Matic at $6. And a 20x would put at 13. 20x is, for me, it's like if you go very, 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 very bullish. But I don't see why not. I don't see, for me, it's between 10. There's no 10 next here, but it's between 10 and 20. It's between it. I think we'll do more than 5. Polygon, more than 5x from now, I think. All right. So I'm gonna put it at 20 here, but for me, it's between 10 and 20x. But if it does a 10x, if it only do 10x, I'm okay with it. It's $6. It's 67 cents now. It's about 121x up. For me, well, to me, it's great. Is there? No, sorry, it's that I'm wrong. It's that would be 10x would be like I said before, 899% up with a market cap of 61.8 billion, and a 20x. 1920x would be around Polygon at $13, $13.38. At $13.38, I think it's pushing, but do you remember that is different cases? Solana last cycle went crazy. Remember, it went like $10, $15, $40, $45, $100, $200, $200. Everybody was like, "Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening?" So can Polygon do something like that? I'm not sure. But at 10 to 20x, I think it might be possible. So it depends. Let's see how the other tokens going to do. Optimism as well as a layer 2. But Solana, Polygon, Matic have a potential to go up. A token that I like in the channel over here is Chainlink. I think Chainlink might do also 20x. That would put Chainlink. I think all crypto need Chainlink, all the project, all the data stuff. A 20x from now is putting Chainlink around $227. I think it's possible for Chainlink. So I would say Chainlink to a 20x. And one of the reasons why Chainlink at 20x, I'm going to tell you right now. Because the reason why, let me go back to Tokenmetrics over here. You guys know that Tokenmetrics is the tool that I use. If you guys want to use the same tool, you guys can get a link on the description of this video. It's my affiliate link and will definitely help the channel very, very much. So let me go here. Chainlink, the reason why I like Chainlink is because of the, what's the name of they call it? Where is it? They connect the word of blockchain, but there is, where is it? Is the, oh God, let's see if I find. Is this one, cross chain, because of this. I think this will be a game changer for Chainlink. Cross chain by Chainlink. You guys cannot see it. I'm not sharing this screen. So I think this will be the game changing for Chainlink. That's why I believe Chainlink might do between 10 and 20x from now. Cross-chain by Chainlink, the era of secure blockchain interoperability has arrived. A secure interoperability protocol for a scaling cross-chain ecosystem. I think this will be a game changer for crypto space anyway, but for Chainlink especially. Okay, we have 2 left. Let's go with this one. I think potentially, if we wake up, Dots might do also a 20x. Let me see here. Dot token. A 10x, that is no, a 20x. Let's go 20x because 20x, guys, for a Polkadot that did over $40 last cycle. If Polkadot, sir, come on, Polkadot. I have hopes on you because I'm also investing in Moonbeam and I have some dots. A 20x on Polkadot is $98 from today. $98 is an upside around 20x, and puts the market cap at 126.9 billion. If everything goes that bullish, I see no reason why Polkadot cannot explode, right? All the tokens for Polkadot, that was staked, they already gave out the majority of it, I think, for people who are staking for the parachains, right? For the auction. They're already out. So I don't think we're going to have much problem on that, right? And my last but not least is Near Protocol. Near Protocol, I did a video here on the channel Near. I like Near protocol a lot, guys. I think Near have a very strong potential. Near have a very strong potential. I'm gonna put Near. You know what? I'm gonna put Near with around. Let's put here. No, I think how much is now? How much was the all-time high? Was $20, guys. $20 was the all-time high. $20. So I'm gonna say Nia will do around from where is today. I think Nia might go around 81 billion market cap, which is very possible for Nia. 81.2 billion, and one Nia would be around $82. That is a 54x from where it is today. So I'm gonna put Nia protocol all the way up here. Well, what about if it doesn't do 50x? Maybe we'll do 20. Maybe. That's what I think. I think potentially can go to 50x. And I like it. I am also skinning the game. I do have a Near protocol. I don't have. I sold I sold here, and I'm waiting to go back in again. So I sold here. This is my charts. And I was looking at 1 hour, maybe. Because as you can see here, I have another lines in a very small frame time. So I was seeing, if you break it there, it's gonna go up. So he broke it, he went up. But then I was working, I couldn't do anymore. So, but it's going straight line. So let's see what's gonna happen here. You guys cannot see my gun. Sorry. It's going in a straight line here. I did this just was a 1 hour chart but I sold where it is here. Where it went up. I sold more or less here at 154. And I'm waiting to go back somewhere over here, which I don't know if you will. But the hope is that it go down to here to 134. And if it does, and then I'm going to go back in buying more coins with the same money that I took out, right? So like we said, that's what I'm going to be doing as well on the way up. So it's consolidate to the side. Let's see what's the RSI going to do here. If you're going to go up or down, and we see. I'm also going to check tokenmetry to see if it's going to be a good one to go in or out of that. So that's potentially all my coins. Let me go in the chat to see if there's anyone in the chat. Thanks so much for being here with me, guys. Please do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I absolutely love to do live here on the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. This is the way you can help me to grow my community. I have 1,600 subscribers, but I still don't have 4,000 hour watch. And by stay here, by watching my channel, by watching my videos, you help me to get to those hours so I can start to monetize the channel. My channel is not monetized. I don't monetize my crypto content from nowhere because I don't have enough content followers and stuff like this. So I need your help in order for me to grow. Let me go to the chart. What NFT projects are you bullish on this cycle? I'll tell you about NFTs. Let me open it here. Last cycle, all my NFTs from Solana was scammed. And I got pissed off next level. So I said, I'm not getting NFTs. So, and then everything started to go down. I bought other deeds from the Yuga Labs because I said it's going to be great. I bought for 1.2 ETH and I thought, okay, I'm going to hold. And then I got scammed. And then the person who scammed me drained my wallet and sold my NFT that I bought for 1.3 ETH. He sold for 0.05 ETH. So I lost that as well. No good experience with NFTs. And now on post chain, because it's cheaper, I got What did I get? I got one Mintra NFT because it was cheap. And I got, in fact, let me share my screen with you. I got 3 NFTs from these guys. Where is it? Can you guys show? No, you guys cannot see my screen, right? I have, let me go back here. I have these NFTs that I am giving away. There's a giveaway here in the channel. Not in the channel, in the X. Where is it? It's a nice NFT actually. I'm gonna share one more time so people can reshare. Guys, I put so much content out. It's unbelievable. You guys have to go all the way down. I put a lot of news. I get news from crypto news, right? From blogs and stuff like this. I put them in bullet points and then I bring them here to be easy to digest, to read. Because X is very fast, right? See, this is what I told you guys. I have just reached 1,600 subscribers on YouTube. Although there's still a long road ahead to hit my first 5,000 targets, I'm deeply thankful and being my first year on these journeys. But it's my first year of the channel, and I have done over 442 videos. So I absolutely love this, my job in crypto here, and I will appreciate your subscription. So if you subscribe to the channel, see, I have a lot of stuff, guys. Where is it? I cannot find. It's a giveaway, actually. I'm gonna share now so I don't lose as well. And I'm gonna here. There we go. Giveaway time, NFT giveaway. It's from the guys from Post OG by 9mm POG NFT below. This NFT here, I think I paid 1 million PLS. I think. So you can guess how much the PLS is gonna go and gonna grow, right? I'm gonna retweet. There we go. And you guys can retweet, and I'm doing a giveaway on that. All right. Let me open here. I hope you guys enjoy this streaming. Was great, guys. We are here almost 2 hours, 1 hour and 51 minutes. Thanks so much for being here with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please do share this content with more people, because like this, you help me to grow my channel, like I said before. And I will see you guys. I'm bringing out a very nice video on hard wallet for you guys to know more about hard wallets. And I will see you guys in another video or maybe in another streaming. Safe investing.